Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reply to comments in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to engage with your audience and grow your channel faster, replying to comments is actually really important. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Comments tab from the left side menu. This is where all viewer comments are collected. Here you'll see comments from all your videos in one place. You can filter them by published, held for review, or likely spam. Now find a comment you want to reply to and click inside the reply box underneath it. Type your response clearly and naturally. I mean short, friendly replies usually work best for engagement. You can also heart comments or like them to show appreciation without replying every time. If a comment is important, you can pin it to the top of the comment section so everyone sees it first. You can also review or remove spam and unwanted comments to keep your section clean. And replying quickly helps boost engagement, which can actually improve your video's performance in YouTube's algorithm. So that's how to reply to comments in YouTube Studio in 2026. Staying active with your audience really helps build a strong community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.